Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to get the maximum index of an array. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it in like a fun little format. So let's kick off, shall we? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a subroutine here called max example add. Oops. So we're going to create an array. It's just simply going to be called array, and we're going to assign it some values. So I'm going to say something like Dave, Bill, Joe, Sid. So those are the values. Now I'm going to create a variable called max index. I'm going to assign it to a scalar here, and then a hash. There we go, couldn't find it then a hash and array. So this will get the maximum index of this array. Okay, let's just do a little experiment first of all. We'll print off that. Print scalar max index. So max example add. Okay, so let's just run it. So the maximum is 3, so that's going to be position 0, 1, 2, 3. So the maximum index here is 3, which is going to be Sid. Okay, right, let's just take this out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a conditional if statement to evaluate something. So if max index LT is lower than, I'm going to give it a number, let's say 5, which we know it is, then we're going to do something. We're going to use this push, and that's going to be array. We're going to push something onto the array. So we're going to push, let's say, Peter onto the array. And then we're going to print the array. And then we're going to come down to an else, which is like a catch-all. Else, if that's not the case, we're going to print not less than 5. Okay. Right, so let's run that. Okay, because the maximum index was less than 5, we've pushed Peter onto the array. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.